Owen.kelley, we're going to school. Oh, yay. School. And Josh, we're going to school. Okay, Mom. Won't this car work? Oh, come on, this dumb car. Won't you work? Won't you freaking work? Won't you freaking work? Oh, I can't hold my breath. Listen, that. It's okay, honey. You don't need to say it louder like that. Oh, it's okay. I wonder if I can go to a trip to space. I don't see. I can see space on the web, but it's not real. Probably it is real. Honey, look. Honey, look. Oh no. Ah! Kids, are you safe? Mommy crashed the car. It's okay, Josh. We'll call the police to get it out. Wheel. The police just heard a woo from inside the police's station.
Yeah.
Why did you guys crash your car down the school? Yes, we did. Yeah, Mom did an accident. Oh, that's okay. I won't arrest the mom. Okay, see you. Bye. Wheel. Phew. I bet that was over. Good thing that was over. Why did you say good day? That is over. Mom crashed the car into a hole, but then we got our car fixed and ready to pull out. It got pulled out by a crane. Oh, my mom did that thing to her car too.